Well, nearly 6 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's right now or dementia, and people here in Wisconsin hoping to learn more about aging healthy, keeping your brain healthy, and preventing Alzheimer's can attend a free event tomorrow night. And Dorothy Edwards is a professor of medicine and kinesiology at the UW and the outreach leader for the Wisconsin's Alzheimer's Disease and Research Center. That is a mouthful, but good morning.
It is a mouthful, isn't it? Thank you.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. So this event tomorrow night, can you tell us a little bit about it?
So this event tomorrow night is our annual fall lecture. This is our 17th lecture, and every year we choose a topic that's really important and interesting to the community. And so this year we're focusing on brain resilience and healthy brain aging. So although we're an Alzheimer's Disease Research Center, we're actually more interested in helping people avoid Alzheimer's disease and how to stay healthy for as long as they can. So tomorrow night we're going to be at the Gordon Dining Center, which is on Dayton Street. Anyone who's ever gone to the Kohl Center has actually walked by that big new building on Dayton Street to do a whole series of lectures and provide information for people interested in healthy brain aging. It starts at 5 o'clock. It runs from 5 to 8. We have a resource fair from 5 to 6 with a number of community providers talking about healthy aging and opportunities. And then we'll move into our more formal lecture. Our speaker this year is Dr. Emily Rogalski. She is the Associate Director of the Alzheimer's Disease Research Center at Northwestern University, but her area of research is on super aging, on those people who seem to be completely unaffected by the effects of aging. And so she's going to talk about what she's found about how to live longer and have good brain health based on her findings. We then have two other speakers. Dr. Cynthia Carlson, who's one of our investigators, a very well-known geriatrician, is going to be talking about things that people have a lot of questions about supplements, vitamins, diet, and how those, do they work or do they not work in preserving healthy brain aging and helping you keep your memory healthy. And then our last speaker is Dr. Kimberly Mueller. She's also a member of the UW faculty, and she's really interested in how engagement in social and cognitively challenging activities like brain games affect memory. And at the end of the evening, we do what's probably the most popular. We have a panel of experts, and the audience can ask anything they want. And so that often is what people are most interested in, is a chance to ask the experts if they have any questions. So we're really hoping for a good turnout. We had about 500 people last year. I'd like to see more this year because we're all interested in staying healthy in later life.
And pretty much anybody can go to this that just wants some basic information.
Absolutely. Yeah, this is free and open to the public. You know, we are one of the 31 NIH-funded Alzheimer's Disease Research Centers. We just got funded for another 5 years, so we're going to hopefully be around for at least 15 years. And one of our commitments is to making sure our community understands what they can do to stay healthy and to provide the expertise so that we can separate out the false information from the things that actually work.
You sure do have a lot of passion for what you do.
I do. I've been doing this work for a long time, since 1980. And the nice thing is that when I started, when I was just out of graduate school, we really didn't know much, and now we know a lot. And we want to make sure that the community gets the benefit of all this knowledge that's around us, because there's a lot of false information, but there's a lot we can do to stay healthy in later life. And it starts early. So, you know, there are things that people in their 30s and 40s could be doing to make sure that they're going to be healthy when they're 90.
Sure. I'm sure this is going to be really informative, and like you said, I hope that you get the turnout that you're expecting. It sounds like you're going to do really well.
Thank you. It's free, and we hope to see a lot of people.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. You can learn more at tonight's Resilience in Brain Aging event happening at the Gordon Dining and Event Center at the UW-Madison campus on Dayton Street from 5 to 8 tomorrow night, October 1st. The Healthy Aging Resource Fair kicks off the event at 5. Speakers and audience Q&A begins at 6 o'clock. Time